Okay, I was talking about the overall mandate of DST to enhance the professional capacity of teachers, head teachers, teacher educators, and various categories of educational personnel whose affect the quality of learning in schools directly or indirectly. Other than teacher, head teacher educators, the people fall in the various categories are assistant education officers, deputy district education officers, district education officers, CEOs, and all other relevant people like learning coordinator and uh, other supervisory staff from teaching slot. The Directorate of Staff Development as an apex organization is rendering meritorious services in the field of teacher training for more than a half century. Since its inception, it has contributed positively in the progression of education in the province of Punjab by working as the change agent. This directorate is solely responsible for public school teacher training in the province. Let's have an historical look on DST. In 1959, Education Extension Center was established for training education staff of West Pakistan. In 1968, this Education Extension Center, chosen for modernization of curriculum in math and science from elementary to degree levels. In 1970, its jurisdiction was limited to the province of the Punjab. In 1993, it was renamed as Directorate of Staff Development (DSD). In 2000, Provincial Institute of Teacher Education (PITE) was established in the province of Punjab. 2004, DSD was delinked from the University of Education Lahore under Punjab Education Sector Reform Program initiative. Very interestingly, you should be proud of that. DSD has been working under the auspices of uh, the University of Education from its uh, inspection to 2004. In 2006, Continuous Professional Development Framework was approved. 2006, Support Network for Primary School Teachers was established. And in the similar year, PITE and 33 GSETs, Government College for Elementary Teachers being called normal schools, were given under the managerial umbrella of DSD. Earlier, all these 33 GSETs were under the managerial umbrella of University of Education. So in 2006, it was given back to DST. From before University of Education started, all these were with the DST. 2009, PITE was merged with DST. In 2017, it was renamed as Qaid-e-Azam Academy for Educational Development. So this is all about the history of Directorate of Staff Development. And very interesting thing I would like to share with you, this DSD have given the birth of University of Education. Its very first office, first uh, the start of University of Education is from DSD. Our Vice Chancellor and our other staff have been sitting there in DSD. As far as scope of DSD is concerned, in 2012, the scope of work was enhanced from 12 districts to 24 districts, and in all 2012, all 36 districts were included in continuous professional development program. As far as mission of the DST is concerned, to establish a system of professional development for teachers and education personnel for enhancing the quality of learning in the government schools of Punjab. In line with Qaid Academy for Educational Development, Quality Vision, and in conformance with the requirements of quality management system. Let me stop here to let you know uh, where it is situated DST. It is situated in Lahore, Allama Iqbal town, adjacent to the Pilot Secondary School for Boys at Bhikhewal Mode. Quality assurance steps will be taken to guide the work of involved Qaid directing staff, which includes faculty as class in charge, trainers, representatives, and all other relevant execute training events at all levels. I would like to share with you, I uh, have taken different types in different times opportunities to train the head teachers, the officials uh, were offered the promotion link training from grade 19 to 20. I have been teaching them, uh, training them in uh, research synopsis. It will be worked out keeping in view the nature and requirements of training. Specified duties are being placed in the relevant SOPs. The vision of Qaeda is to develop a knowledgeable, committed, motivated, competent, and ethically sound cadre of education personnel to ensure the delivery of top quality education to the students in government schools of the Punjab. The services rendered through DSD are the CPD, Continuous Professional Development, School Leadership and Development Training Program, to the pre-service and in-service, and training methodologies. As far as continuous professional development is concerned, Qaeda is involved in teacher training since 1959 with different names. In the light of previous experiences, it has been observed that main causes of ineffective teacher training are lack of follow-up, lack of on-site support. In order to cater for these needs, Qaeda launched Continuous Professional Development Framework in 2007 for 12 districts initially in the first phase, and it was extended up to 36 districts in the phase 2. After 1.5 years, Qaid launched a research with the help of IER, University of the Punjab, Lahore. In CPD, in the light to know strengths, weaknesses of this research, several changes in CPD model has been corporate, incorporated. In present, at present, this model has been implemented in 36 districts of the Punjab. Its major components are assessment, monitoring, mentoring, continuous professional development, reporting, planning, coordination, monitoring, management. CPD also focuses on decentralized approach for follow-up and support mechanism in order to cover whole Punjab, that is 36 districts training and support centers have been established, one in each district. Under each district training and support centers, on average 60 cluster training and support centers CTSC have been established. One cluster covers approximately 30 schools lying within the radius of 16 kilometers. At one cluster, 1 to 5 district teacher educators are placed depending upon the schools attached with cluster. At district teacher educators have been allotted 10 to 15 schools for implementation of CPD at cluster level. So up to the grassroots level, for the implementation of continuous professional development, a framework has been incorporated. School Leadership Development Training Program. Piloting at district training school centers and GCTs, Lahore, Islamabad, Multan, Bahawalpur, Faisalabad, were established, aimed at to enable heads to perform effectively and efficiently for promotion of quality. Education in Punjab. Pilot activity is one of the 5 centers, Lahore, Islamabad, Multan, Bahawalpur, Faisalabad, from April 8 to 9, 2017 was done. Schemes of studies for 3 years. Training will be carried out in 3 phases. Each phase will be linked with certification validation. Phase 1, basic, fundamental, and emerging leadership. In phase 2, intermediate level, middle level management. And finally, in phase 3, advanced level management program. Therefore, in the first phase, its duration was 8 days, split program over 4 months, 2 days a month during Saturday and Sundays, about 40 to 48 classroom hours, with assignments to practice on learning areas of classroom work in their schools. Duration 2, 20 days training on emerging trends in education, 100 to 120 hours. Schemes of studies for this: role and responsibilities, financial management, VN mission, leadership styles, creatively and imagination. List of the participants from Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan, Islamabad, Bahawalpur. Phase 2. The duration of 8 days, split program over 4 months, 2 days a month during Saturday and Sunday, about 40 to 48 classroom hours, with assignments to practice of learning areas of classroom work in their schools. Schemes of studies to be finalized. Accordingly, for phase 3, that is the advanced level of management program, similar to the phase 2, for 8 days, split program over 4 months, 2 days a month during Saturday, Sunday, 40 to 48 classroom hours, and supported with assignment to practice on learning areas of classroom in their schools. The schemes of study for this is also to be finalized yet. Pre-service. The spirit of pre-service is embedded in our leading the way to excellence in teaching. According to DST, it's their slogan. We are committed to nurture the innovative potential in future teachers, preparing them to meet 21st century needs with an understanding of mastery in content, innovative instructional technologies, and hands-on experiences. 30 government college for elementary teachers are providing pre-service teacher education across 22 districts in the Punjab. Teaching professionals and the faculty provides a holistic view of profession of teaching to their students and are committed to deliver knowledge and to kindle their skills. Moreover, in the pre-service program, every year variety of professional training programs are offered. These programs includes ADE, leading to B.Ed honors, M.Ed, Master in Education, B.Ed Elementary, Secondary, B.Ed, Early Childhood and Care Education, in-service B.Ed program, diplomas in Physical Education, diploma in Art and Craft. Over 6,000 students are enrolled every year in these programs. These programs provide rigorous training opportunities that equip the graduates with knowledge and skills to have broader impact in education system. Every campus is fully equipped with latest state-of-art computer labs, e-labs, classrooms with modern technologies makes environment conducive and learning, educational charts, models, resource material, and to the learning environment. Excellent laboratory schools are attached with GCTs to provide numerous opportunities to prospective teachers to practice content understanding, presentation skills, and latest assessment techniques in actual classroom. Don't be much worried. I am talking about the public sector. It's the practices in the public sector that is much excessive as compared to the private sector. In service, training wing of Qaid is responsible for the execution of trainings at the Qaid campus. These trainings include induction trainings for educational managers, teachers, teacher educators, district education educators, recommendees of Punjab Public Service Commission, head teachers, senior head teachers, subject specialists, senior subject specialists, post induction trainings, new CPD program, on the job training, coaching of public school teacher, in service training for professional development for education managers, PDO, DEO, Deputy DEO, district by the heads, education officers, ex teacher educators, master trainers, lead teacher educators, promotion link trainings, rules framed and have been incorporated till 2019. Specialized training such as literacy and non-formal basic education, special education department, higher education department, examiner, sub-examiner and paper setter for education boards. Training request from other organizations, provinces, NCHD, master training, trainer training of ICT, FATAG, GB, KPK, AJK, Qaid trained master trainers of Balochistan and Quetta on the request of government of Balochistan. Training methodologies carried out here are the interactive lectures, panel discussion, group work, syndicate work, ICT, case study, visits, presentations, and evaluation of this training is carried out through SMART test, quizzes, pre-test, post-test, presentations, and report writing. That was all about the DSD, I think so. Earlier, you don't have such deep idea about DSD, its history, its concern with the University of Education, and its latest name and role in school education department towards teaching. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.